Bonjour, bon après-midi, bonsoir. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your French learning partner, and today we're gonna have our lesson 29. Jour 29, la famille restreinte. Day 29, the immediate family. Partie 1, vocabulaire. Part 1, vocabulary. 29, 29. 29e, 29th. La famille, the family. Le père, the father. La mère, the mother. Les parents, parents. Le fils, the son. La fille, the daughter. Le frère, the brother. La sœur, the sister. L'enfant, the child. Les enfants, the children. Papa, dad. Maman, mom. Mon, my. Ma, my. Me, my. We can see here these are the possessive adjectives in French, and we're gonna talk more about them in another video. Un grand frère, an older brother. Une grande sœur, an older sister. Un petit frère, a younger brother. Une petite sœur, a younger sister. Voici, this is, here is. Le mari, the husband. L'époux, the husband. La femme, the wife. L'épouse, the wife. Le fils aîné, the eldest son. La fille aînée, the eldest daughter. Le cadet, the youngest. La cadette, the youngest. Partie 2, la famille restreinte. Part 2, the immediate family. Bonjour et bienvenue. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre le vocabulaire de la famille restreinte en français. Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn vocabulary related to the immediate family in French. Présentation de la famille Berthier. Introduction to the Berthier family. Voici les parents. Here are the parents. Voici Luc Berthier. Luc est le mari de Sandrine. This is Luc Berthier. Luc is Sandrine's husband. Voici Sandrine Berthier. Sandrine est la femme de Luc. This is Sandrine Berthier. Sandrine is Luc's wife. Luc et Sandrine sont mariés et sont les parents de Hugo, Martin et Olivia. Luc and Sandrine are married and are the parents of Hugo, Martin and Olivia. Voici les enfants. Here are the children. Hugo, Martin et Olivia sont les enfants de Luc et Sandrine. Hugo, Martin and Olivia are Luc and Sandrine's children. Luc est le père de Hugo, Martin et Olivia. C'est leur papa. Luc is the father of Hugo, Martin and Olivia. He's their dad. Sandrine est la mère de Hugo, Martin et Olivia. C'est leur maman. Sandrine is the mother of Hugo, Martin and Olivia. She's their mom. Hugo est le fils aîné de Luc et Sandrine. Hugo is the eldest son of Luc and Sandrine. Hugo est le grand frère de Martin et Olivia. Hugo is the big brother of Martin and Olivia. Martin est le deuxième fils de Luc et Sandrine. Martin is the second son of Luke and Sandrine. Martin est le petit frère de Hugo et le grand frère de Olivia. Martin is Hugo's little brother and Olivia's big brother. Olivia est la fille de Luc et Sandrine. Elle est la cadette. Olivia is the daughter of Luke and Sandrine. She's the youngest. Olivia est la petite sœur de Hugo et Martin. Olivia is Hugo and Martin's little sister. À suivre. To be continued. Please support the channel by subscribing, by liking the video, by commenting, and last but not least, please share. See you in the next video.